Here's how to send your ad code to a brand that you've posted a TikTok Shop video for. On your posted video, go to the bottom right where it has the three little dots. Just scroll until you find ad settings. Under ad settings, you're going to toggle on ad authorization, and it will tell you how long to select the authorization for. I recommend at least 60 days, but you can do up to 365 days. Then you're going to hit authorize. Now go where it says video code and you are going to hit generate. It will say the video code is pending. Go ahead and hit the big red save button, and then it should say video code ready. So under video code ready, click manage. Then you are going to copy code, and it should say video code copied with a green check mark at the top. Save everything, and then go ahead and send that ad code with the link to your posted video to the TikTok Shop seller. And last thing I'll say, don't anchor your ads. You could potentially have that brand make the landing page different than what is connected to your affiliate account, and then you can miss out on all that commission, and I do not want that to happen to you, so just don't do anchor ads. And if you want to work with brands that you know have budget for paid ads, we have something called our TikTok Shop Games. It's free for every single creator to sign up. We're very specific about the brands we allow into our games. They have to have budget to run your content as a paid ad. They have to also give you extra commission, more than what the normal person on TikTok Shop would be making. They have to give free samples. They give a lot of samples out at a time. So the sooner that you apply and you sign up and you request a sample, the more likely you are to be in that first batch of creators getting those free samples. And of course, sign up for our newsletter because we have a ton of free, amazing information that we are giving out several times a week. And of course, ask us any questions on our TikTok because we are here to help you.